with another product we love. Today I have the pedal stay by the Pedal Stay Company. You know, this is a product I have put off for over 30 years. I know, it's like, but you know, I just felt like I didn't need it. Well, I bought me a new sewing machine and I'm like, you know, I'm going to treat myself to a pedal stay. I am kicking myself for not buying one 30 years ago because I've played footsie with my pedal for over 30 years and now it's always where it should be. Always. So let me tell you a little bit about it. It is definitely called the pedal stay. It's a non-skid pedal holder. Now it measures 18 inches by about 11 and a quarter. Now the inside, which is, you know, when you look at Velcro, you have a loopy side and a smooth side. Well, this is the smooth side of Velcro. So, and the inside dimensions are about 8 by 8 3/4. So this is one of the large foot pedals and it fits on here nicely. So it'll hold, well, of course, the smaller ones. It will fit pretty much any size foot for your sewing machine. Now, they call this the new because they've added an extra feature. On the back of this, they have all the little pointy knobs to stick to carpet. So if it's on carpet, it's not going to move. But if you say, okay, I have hardwood floor, I have concrete floors, I have vinyl, whatever, doesn't matter. They have included this sponge. It's like a rubberized sponge that is sticky backed. So you peel it off and you stick it to the back of your pedal stay. And this keeps it from sliding. See? Here, let me put it on my table. It doesn't move no matter how hard I push it. So you just glue this to the back of your mat and it will work for hardwood floors, vinyl, concrete, which is another great thing. Now, to make this truly work, they've also included this Velcro. And like I said, this is the hook part of the Velcro. And all you do is peel it off and you stick it to the back of your sewing machine foot. So you just stick it on your foot and then when you put it on your mat, now this one I have added it to. So when I put it down here, see, you can hear it. If I can get it off. So that's what I mean. When you stick this down, it's stuck. So don't be like me. Don't put this purchase off because you feel like you don't need it. I promise you will love this. And you'll be sewing much faster now when you sit down to the sewing machine. You won't be playing footsie trying to find your pedal. So again, this is another reason why it's a product we love. So thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in our next episode of Products We Love.